Welcome to the next question in our CK mock question series.
Question number 18, we have it here. There should be some issues with kubelet not running on cluster 3 node 1. Fix it and confirm that cluster node 3 is available and released afterward. Okay, get nodes, sorry. Okay, get nodes, okay, SSH, cluster 3 node 1. We'll see, EXAUX, crap, kubelet. Okay, it's not running. Let's try to restart. Systemctl restart kubelet. Let's see the status. Okay, it's not running this exit code. Let's see. Where is kubelet? It's running in user ben kubelet. We'll see. It's dropping in on this file. We'll try to see if there is any error on this. vi etc systemd system kubelet. Okay. Oh, the execution command itself is wrong. It's usr ben kubelet. It's not user local ben systemctl daemon reload systemctl restart the kubelet service. Now it's restarted. We'll see the status again. Now it's running. Exit it. Okay, get nodes. Now it's running status. Now we have to write the reason why it was happened. So wrong path has been configured for kubelet in binary config file.
Thank you for watching. See you in next video.